Nexo is a platform that offers a variety of financial services in the cryptocurrency space, including investments, exchanges, and futures trading. You can find the link of Nexo in the description of this video. Here's a breakdown of some of the key aspects and reasons why people might consider joining Nexo. Investment opportunities. Nexo provides investment opportunities in the cryptocurrency market, allowing users to invest their digital assets and potentially earn returns through various investment products. Exchange services. Nexo offers exchange services, enabling users to easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. This feature provides convenience and accessibility for individuals looking to enter or navigate the cryptocurrency market. Futures trading. Futures trading allows users to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies, providing potential opportunities for profit through leverage. Nexo's futures trading feature may appeal to more experienced traders looking to capitalize on market volatility. Security. Nexo emphasizes security measures to protect users' funds and personal information. This includes utilizing advanced encryption techniques and implementing robust security protocols to safeguard against unauthorized access and cyber threats. User-friendly interface. Nexo's platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it suitable for both novice and experienced cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The intuitive interface and streamlined user experience contribute to a seamless trading and investment experience. Liquidity. Nexo aims to provide liquidity in the cryptocurrency market, allowing users to easily buy and sell digital assets without encountering significant slippage or delays. Customer support. Nexo offers responsive customer support to address any inquiries or issues that users may encounter while using the platform. Prompt and helpful customer service can enhance the overall user experience and instill confidence in the platform. Regulatory compliance. Nexo adheres to relevant regulatory standards and compliance requirements, providing users with peace of mind knowing that they are participating in a legitimate and regulated financial ecosystem. Overall, people might consider joining Nexo for its diverse range of cryptocurrency services, user-friendly interface, security features, and commitment to regulatory compliance. Opening an account with Nexo is that simple. Step number 1. Go to the link of Nexo that is in the description of this video. Step 2. Enter your email, then create a password. And finally accept the terms and conditions of Nexo. Investment capital. The more you trade, the more you earn.